everyone, and welcome to my Glow Head to Toe playlist on my YouTube channel, Saving Shan. On this channel, we promote total wellness, being well in mind, body, and soul. I am currently living with major depressive disorder, but I am determined to live and not just exist, and part of my living includes my physical appearance. I don't have to look like what I have been through or what I am going through. And neither do you. In this playlist, I will be giving you knowledge in an attempt to empower you to experience your own personal glow up. I am going to give you the things that you need to empower you to continue to grow and glow in your physical appearance. Looking good on the outside is important as well as feeling good on the inside. In this playlist, you will find hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, manicure pedicure tutorials, as well as fashion fit for us God girls. I know I am looking very plain Jane right now, but that is the point of glowing up together. I want to glow up with you, so I'm going to be working on my physical appearance as well. Be sure to subscribe and hit your notification bell so that you don't miss new content. Also, comment down below to introduce yourself. Comment down below to give me video ideas about knowledge you want specifically as it relates to your natural glow up. Enjoy this playlist and let's glow together.